Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, galaxies of intellectuals before me, I am very pleasant to stand in front of you on this auspicious occasion on my topic, the importance of education in Islamic civilization. Education in Islam is not only encouraged, it is considered as religious duty. The Holy Quran began with the word Iqra. It means read. The Prophet ﷺ emphasized the education. He said that seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim, both male and female. Islamic civilization flourished because of their keep respect to learning. During the golden age of Islam, great centers of education is Baghdad and Damascus become hubs of education. The scholars that translated the work from Greek, Persian and Indian sources, etc. Muslim scholars, they make remarkable contributions to many fields such as mathematics, philosophy, chemistry and literature. Education in Islam also emphasized moral and ethical development. Furthermore, Islam encourages lifelong learning. The education is not limited, it becomes lifelong. So the Islam encourages lifelong education. Education is not limited to childhood or limited institution, it becomes lifelong. In today's world, the message of education in Islam more relevant. Dears, in conclusion, education has always been the backbone of Islamic civilization. So, we should grade study and lifelong learning in our lifelong. So, concluding my word, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.